there's one. So these arms have these little tits on one side but not on the other. So you want to make sure that when you're pressing this stuff out, you're using those tits to your advantage because that's leverage. All right. Otherwise, you're trying to just grab off of this instead of those two. All right, there's one burn. I gotta tell you, I don't really like these things at all. Whew. Your hands get so slimy trying to put these things together. Got no leverage on anything. All right, so there's one done, all right? Oops. If you're wondering about the paper towel, it's actually way thicker than a paper towel, but it's just to keep the claw marks from the vise off of the piece. All right, done. Thanks, YouTube. All right, so these are the rear sway bar end links, and we're gonna try to get them out. All right, and that's the end link. Here's the new ones that I got from Corvette Central, 584101, 84 to 96 rear sway bar, end link bushing. So there we go. Notice it's got a lip on one side. All right, so here's an old one. You can see how it's busted up. You can see that the lip is on the inward side of the U, right? So when we put this back in, we're going to press it in like that, okay?
Pushing out. Okay. There you go. This way, Bubba.